Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. On today's video, we're doing up some barbecue shrimp. Not your typical barbecue shrimp, but New Orleans barbecue shrimp, where it's smothered in a butter and olive oil sauce mixed with Cajun spices and lemon and garlic, but we're also going to add in some beer. So let's get started. Took no time really at all. We got some Leidenheimer's French bread here, cut on a bias, make it look fancy. As you can see, I don't have the traditional salad bowl that it comes in. Surprise, surprise, I don't really eat salads. I run a barbecue channel. You know, goes with the territory. But here we go. New Orleans barbecue shrimp. All right, here we go. Went ahead and peeled a couple of them, make it a little quicker for us. Nice and buttery. Got a little hint of heat from the cayenne, but got that lemon, just nice and smooth. Oh, so perfect. Let's get some of that butter and olive oil. Oh yeah, just what you want. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.